Hey guys, Brian Haywood here. Welcome to my Beards and Banjos YouTube channel. Thank you for joining me where we do beard related content. We do a couple songs a month, but this is video 6 in our series on trying to find the perfect face covering or mask that's beard friendly. So like I said, we've already done 5 episodes. We went through designed by the Sammy G collection off of the Etsy shop. We talked about neck gaiters in general, and I found one that had some ear holes in it that we got off Amazon. We had a different design from Detroit Grooming. We talked about the generic bandana, right, that you can just tie around. Last time we talked about a smaller profile model here that's really good for your mustache. It's by Birdwell Beach Breeches, so a clothing company. And then today we've got a hybrid. We're going to mix these two things together, and it actually works pretty well. So this one's another thing I got off Amazon. So it basically takes the handkerchief bandana and mixes it together with a neck gaiter. So this got ear loops on it. So it's got ear loops, and it's kind of lays down in front like a bandana, but it does go all the way around your head like a neck gaiter, but it's shorter in the back, quite a bit shorter, so it doesn't bunch up on your neck. And the good thing about this one is there's a lot more breathing room. When you some of these neck gaiters, they're really kind of tight, and it feels like everything's all closed up. These don't, right? The bandanas don't. So this is kind of a good hybrid model, and I got a pack of 3 for $16.99 off of Amazon. So let me take this off here. We'll try it out. It's kind of like the first neck gaiter that I showed you. It's not quite thick enough to really do a great job. Whereas when you have a bandana, you can like double it over. You're getting multi-layers of cotton. This is like a single layer, but there may be other ones that you can find that has this design to it. It is really comfortable. There's no issues with it falling down because of the ear loops. All right, and it's pretty loose fitting here. So I'm thinking guys with the bigger beards, this may be a good option for you. This kind of depends on how big your beard is, but if you'll take a look, everything fits very well. I could wear this all day without any issue. No trouble breathing because it's not quite thick enough, I don't think, to match up with the CDC recommendation guidelines of multi-layers of cotton. However, it does cover your face. All right, so I think it's going to do a good job. I'm going to keep them because I just don't want to return them anyway. Already had it on my face, but it is something I feel like I could wear all day, and it's a good kind of hybrid mix of a neck gaiter and a bandana with the fit of that. All right, so let me know in the comments if there's anything that you found that works well. This is almost the end of the series. I've got one more company to highlight, and I found something that really works well for my length beard. It may not for yours, but I think one of these other options will work for you as well. But let me know in the comments if you found something that works well for you. I will put a link for this, the Amazon link. It's not an affiliate or anything like that, but just so you can check out the design in more detail and read that up, and you might could find something similar to it. I kind of wish I could find one similar. This is more like the stretchy neck gaiter kind of material. I wonder if they make this design with the material of a bandana. If they do, then I think that would be a pretty good option as well. But anyway, as always, I appreciate you guys watching, and we'll see you on the next video.